Creating a flow is as simple as dragging and dropping elements from the builder pane to the canvas. A new flow automatically has a start and stop element. Let's add some elements. Under Connector, let's grab the CyberArk Cloud Directory Users table. This is a built-in connector template. Use the search feature to narrow the list. Drill down to look for the desired element. Drag it onto the canvas. The property pane will change to show the configuration for the element. We'll cover this configuration later. In this example, this call will return an array of users that exist in the CyberArk identity tenant. Let's add a condition, so after we get the array, we can do something with it. We'll choose a split decision. Here we can configure the data we're looking for and which path to take, left or right. That's how easy it is to add elements to your flow.